Skin polishing is the secret to get a smooth, radiant and gorgeous skin. Skin polishing is nothing but a process of skin exfoliation, in which the outermost layer of the skin is sloughed off, in order to eliminate blemishes and slow down aging. It also includes moisturizing the skin after polishing to ensure a healthy, beautiful glow. We all want our skin to look shiny and polished, so for that, we need to polish the skin. In today's video we will learn how to polish skin at home. So let's get started. Tip number 1: Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one beauty tip to keep the skin beautiful and glowing. To achieve good skin, you must drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water, and additionally you can also increase the intake of fluids in your diet. This is one of the easiest for flawless skin. Tip number 2: Cleansing face. Cleaning is important to have a bright, glowing skin. Wash your face thoroughly with a facial cleanser or face wash, and pat the skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid hot water as it dries out the skin. Tip number 3: Baking soda and coconut oil. Skin polishing can be very easily done with simple kitchen ingredients, like baking soda and coconut oil. Add half a cup of baking soda to half a cup of fresh lemon juice, and mix them well. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Give it a final mix, and your skin polishing cream is ready. Apply this over your skin and wash it off after 10 minutes. The combination of baking soda and lemon juice cleanses the skin quite effectively and also has skin lightening properties. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer, and lavender oil leaves a calming effect on both the skin and the mind. Tip number 4: Moisturize daily. In order to keep your skin healthy and also diminish signs of wear or aging, it is important to moisturize each day immediately following your shower or bath. This helps keep your skin extra smooth and in optimal condition for polishing. Be sure to use a body oil or lotion daily that is dermatologist recommended. If you would prefer something less processed, try some of the following: olive oil, unpasteurized and unfiltered coconut oil, shea butter,